everybody. You guys, I need to be going to bed, but I wanted to fix lunch for the team of ladies and the administrative staff that I work with. So I'm taking lunch tomorrow. So this is what I've been doing all afternoon since I got home. And you guys, look what time it is. It is, y'all see that time? Wait a minute, let me zoom in. Y'all see what time it is? Do y'all see that? Do you see what time it is? It is 2:18 a.m. And I'm not in the bed yet, but I'm getting ready to go. I pretty much have everything done, but the only thing I need to do is I'm gonna do some apple dumplings. You guys, a very good sister friend of mine, one of my sisters, she makes apple dumplings, and I had forgotten about the apple dumplings. And then I was fooling around looking at my doggone aunt, Paula Dean. Y'all know Paula Dean, my auntie. I keep telling y'all that. Looking at Paula Dean, and she was making some apple dumplings. I'm like, that's what I need to make. So I have to make apple dumplings, and the plan, I'm whispering because y'all know my dude number one sleep. But the plan is to get back up about 4:30 in the morning and do the apple dumplings. I have everything sitting out already. Let's see. Wait a minute. No, I need to be in the bed. Okay. I have the apples. I've got my sugar already measured out. I have my Mountain Dew that I'm gonna use. I didn't have any vanilla flavoring, so I'm gonna use some cake batter flavoring and some butter flavoring. And then I have my ground cinnamon. Is that all I need? Yeah. Oh, no, my crescent rolls. I need the rolls. Let's see. I'm showing y'all the ingredients now because I'm going to have to be moving in the morning when I get up. The crescent rolls. Okay. So, y'all see I've got some lemonade over here and some tea I've made. And I'm gonna put the tea inside the other one that goes with this. But that's just what I fixed it in. Okay, so I already have my butter. I need butter too. It's already in the pan. Okay. So that's what I need to make the apple dumplings. So I'm gonna get back up, I guess about 4:30, so I can get that in the oven and get everything together. Finish getting stuff packed up and get the car loaded up at least about 6 o'clock because I'm supposed to be at work at 7 o'clock and I don't play that being late. So I want to have enough time so I won't be rushed and get flustered. Okay, so I'm gonna go lay it down for a couple of hours and I'll get back up and y'all, we gonna make these apple dumplings. Okay, all right, I see y'all in a minute. Good morning, I'm back. I told you guys I'd be back in a minute. I did pretty good with my time. Look what time it is. See? So, I'm trying to, get these dumplings in the oven by 5 o'clock at the latest. So let me turn my butter on to get it melted. Get my rolls. And although it is 4:30 in the morning, I still remembered to thoroughly wash my hands. Wash your hands when you be in the kitchen. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands, y'all. That's nasty. Okay. Now I'm gonna double this recipe, but as always, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. Let me move you guys around just a little bit. Now I'm going to be zooming in and moving the camera around. But I'm trying not to. I'm sorry, you guys. Trying not to have to do too much editing of my frames. I don't know, my program I use has been making my videos sound a little distorted after I cut the frame and do my editing, so I'm trying not to do too much editing on my frames. Okay, let's see. So again, the recipe will be in the description box, okay? And y'all, I'm sorry, I'm trying not to talk loud since my dude number one is asleep. That was my oven. It has been preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, let's see. Okay. I've already washed my apples, and now I'm getting ready to just peel, core, and cut each one of these apples. And I'm going to get 8 slices, 8 pieces of apple out of each one of these. Yeah, I know it seemed like I just laid down, which I did. Been laying down for about an hour and a half. I'm operating on adrenaline right now. I've got about 20 minutes to try to get this, not too dry, but to get this in the oven. And then it has to bake about 40 minutes. Yeah, about 40, 45 minutes. These are so good. I even have some vanilla ice cream to go with them. We ain't gonna be no more good after we eat lunch today. No more good. We're gonna be ready to go home. And you guys, today is actually Thursday morning, October the 15th. Okay, now I have all of my apples cut. So I'm going to open these crescent rolls. pans that I'm putting these in, I've already buttered my pans. Come on, pop open. There we go. Okay, you guys, we take the long end of the crescent roll. Get you guys to where you can see. Okay. We just rolling it around. That's all we're doing. Okay, I have all of my croissants in my pan. And now I'm just going to, with my butter mixture and my sugar, I'm just going to stir it a little bit to get it mixed. Just a little bit because I want it a little more pourable. This is all this sugar makes it kind of thick. So let me melt my butter just a little bit more. It says to pour this over it, but I think I want to kind of spoon it a little bit to make sure it gets on top of each dumpling. Trying to get this even. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. So now I'm gonna sprinkle it. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with cinnamon. Guys, I'm trying to hurry up. I'm sorry if this video feels rushed. I guess I am kind of rushing because I have to go to work. Okay. pouring the soda around the edge. Stop making a mess. I'm not pouring it directly on top of the dumplings. I'm just pouring it around the edge. Okay. One down. And when my sister did this, she uses Sprite. I'm using Mountain Dew. I think she uses Sprite. Okay. Gotta get these in the oven. Y'all, it's 5:17. I'm gonna cut up all the apples. Okay. So in the oven they go. And I'm gonna set the timer for about 40 minutes. And then I'm gonna go finish getting ready for work. Okay, you guys, they are coming out of the oven. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It's hot. But look, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're not going to be no more good today at work. Run. So I left them in about 45 minutes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Let me give you guys a close-up. Y'all, I'm not going to turn the camera off, so y'all bear with me, okay? Oh, it's going to be so good. With some vanilla ice cream. Yes. Okay, I wanted to share this recipe with you guys, so I had to do it. Took it out a little early. I set it for 40 minutes and I set it for another 7 or 8 minutes. So I took him out at about 45 minutes. But here we go. So y'all know that was my thumbnail, right? So okay. The car is pretty much packed up. So great time. Oh my goodness. It is 6:03. So we're gonna let these cool a few minutes and then I'll double check my list. Y'all know I got stuff in my phone. Here's my phone. Here it is. When I'm doing stuff, you guys, I create notes in my phone. So I've got all my stuff in my phone. I'm gonna go back through my phone to make sure I have everything so I won't forget anything, okay? Anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't know what time of day you're gonna be watching this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye! I gotta get to work.